CompTIA Project Plus PK0-005. Practice Exam. Questions 121 through 125. This video is part of our practice exam video series and is filled with questions that closely resemble the real exam. So are you prepared to test your knowledge? Great. Let's begin. Question 121. A new project involves 2 developers, high uncertainty, frequent requirement changes, and tight deadlines. Which project methodology would be best for this situation? The answer is C. XP. Extreme programming, abbreviated as XP, is best suited for small development teams and excels in environments with high uncertainty and rapidly changing requirements. It emphasizes rapid releases, continuous feedback, and engineering practices such as test-driven development and pair programming. XP is ideal when deadlines are tight and adaptability is crucial. Question 122. A project has successfully completed all its deliverables and is now wrapping up remaining documentation and releasing team members to their respective departments. Which stage of the team development lifecycle is the team most likely in? The answer is D. Adjourning. Adjourning is the final stage of the team development lifecycle, where the project is wrapping up, tasks are completed, and team members are released or reassigned. The full lifecycle includes 5 stages, in order: forming, the team comes together and gets oriented; storming, conflicts and competition may arise; norming, the team begins to collaborate effectively; performing, the team functions at a high level; and finally, adjourning, where the focus shifts to closure and recognizing the team's accomplishments. Question 123. Because the project team is unfamiliar with available vendor capabilities and solutions, the project manager has decided to gather general information from potential third-party providers. Which of the following documents should the project manager expedite first? The answer is A. RFI. A request for information, or RFI, is used to gather broad details about products, services, or vendor capabilities before issuing more specific procurement documents. It's typically the first step when a project team lacks familiarity with available solutions or providers and needs to explore options. Question 124. A company has already defined the technical specifications for upgrading the lighting system in its warehouse and now wants to obtain pricing details from multiple vendors to compare costs. Which of the following would be the best document to use in this situation? The answer is B. RFQ. A request for quote, or RFQ, is appropriate when a company has clearly defined what it needs and is primarily looking for cost comparisons from vendors. Since the specifications for the warehouse lighting upgrade are already finalized, an RFQ allows vendors to submit prices for the exact scope of work. This makes it easier to compare offers and select the most cost-effective provider. This differs slightly from a request for bid, which is often used in formal or public bidding environments. Question 125. A company has a specific business need and wants vendors to submit detailed information on how they would fulfill the requirements, including their approach, timeline, and cost. Which of the following documents should the company provide? The answer is C. RFP. A request for proposal, or RFP, is the appropriate document when a company has a clear understanding of its needs but wants vendors to provide detailed responses on how they will fulfill those needs. This includes the vendor's approach, timeline, required resources, and pricing. RFPs are used when the solution is not predetermined and the organization is evaluating multiple aspects of the vendor's capabilities, not just cost. This makes RFPs ideal for complex projects that require customized services or solutions. So, did any of these questions give you a tough time? Don't worry if they did. It's all part of the learning process. Luckily, Certification Cynergy has a wealth of free video content at your disposal. To stay connected with our latest IT learning resources, just give a quick click on the subscribe button. This simple action ensures you are always updated about our newest video releases. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more great content.